Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. So students, today I am going to teach you English literature from your NCERT book, Beehive. But guys, I would like to say one thing, that already we have completed many stories, many chapters or poems from your textbook, NCERT textbook, Beehive, and simultaneously moments. Some chapters are still left, so I don't want to go in haste because there is no hurry to teach or to complete the entire syllabus right now. So that is why today we will do some analysis of the characters of some stories or poems, or analysis of the stories, short stories, or analysis of the characters of the stories and poem. So guys, today I have selected one story from your Beehive book, that the chapter number 1, that is the fun they had. Simultaneously you open your notebook also. So guys, first you write the title of the story, The Fun They Had, by Isaac Asimov. So first we should know about that under which category this story comes. Several times I have discussed regarding the categories in the field of English literature or in the field of any literature. There are 3 categories, you know, because I have discussed in your previous class also, and now you are promoted to class 9. Once again I am telling you there are 3 categories, that natural, unnatural and supernatural. So what do you think, that under which category this story comes? Of course you will not say that it is natural. You may say that it is unnatural or supernatural. This is a supernatural story presented before the readers by Isaac Asimov. Why supernatural? This is a science fiction. You can say that the fun they had, it is a science fiction written by the author, modern author, and through 2 main characters. There are 2 main characters in the story. One more character, that is the mother, but 2 main characters are Margie and Tommy. You can say that these 2 characters regulate the entire story, but Margie's mother's role is also here, and apart from that a supporting character is there, Margie's mother, and the supporting Margie's mother, she is also a supporting character, and one more, that county inspector who came to repair the robot. So why it is supernatural story? There is an analysis or critical studies on this chapter, because here the plot, it has been presented about 21st May 2157, that means 22nd century, 2157, 2157, 21st May. That means the plot is 22nd century. It is the scenario of the time, and Margie, she is writing a diary, or it is a diary note of Margie, a young girl, a little girl, and through her diary note, the poet has presented in such a fantastic manner, fabulous manner, that Margie, she is telling the story to the readers through her diary. Whatever her diary notes, we come to know about the period of Margie. That means the future millennium already has been crossed. So 21st May the plot is 2157, and right now we are passing to 21st century 2020. So the author, he has taken us to 2057. That means the future land, in a wonderland. That is why it comes under supernaturalism or supernatural category. I hope it is clear to you. So we find here that Margie, through the character of Margie, the author has presented a message to the readers, or he has conveyed a message to the readers. What message? That we are not satisfied whatever at this very moment we do possess. We always expect more and more and more. More comfort, more luxury, more high-tech gadgets, more electronic gadgets. So previously there was land phone. After that, keypad phone. And now each and everyone, most of the people of our country, they are carrying smartphone, touch screen. And now our expectation, anything more new. So this expectation often takes us to the state of disillusion. Various kinds of expectation or ample of expectations take us to the land of disillusionment or state of disillusionment. Then we are in a state of grief, sorrow. We are broken-hearted. We are shattered when we find that whatever we expected and now we have got it, we have achieved it. Then we feel that that was the time, it was far better. Whatever I used to possess during that time, it was far better. Through the character of Margie, the author, he wants to convey or he wants to present his own views to the readers.